Highway Code Rule 115. Keep your headlights dipped when overtaking until you are level with the other vehicle, and then change to main beam if necessary, unless this would dazzle oncoming road users. Slow down and if necessary stop if you are dazzled by oncoming headlights. Highway Code Rule 116. Hazard warning lights. These may be used when your vehicle is stationary to warn that it is temporarily obstructing traffic. Never use them as an excuse for dangerous or illegal parking. You must not use hazard warning lights while driving or being towed unless you are on a motorway or unrestricted dual carriageway and you need to warn drivers behind you of a hazard or obstruction ahead. Only use them for long enough to ensure that your warning has been observed. So this is a common rule started by lorry drivers, where they put the hazard warning lights on for 4 or 5 flashes to warn that there's a danger ahead. Control of your vehicle. Highway Code Rule 117. Braking. In normal circumstances, the safest way to brake is to do so early and lightly. Brake more firmly as you begin to stop. Ease the pressure off just before the vehicle comes to rest to avoid a jerky stop and also to avoid people running in the back of you. Highway Code Rule 118. In an emergency, brake immediately. Try to avoid braking so harshly that you lock your wheels. Locked wheels can lead to loss of controls. Most modern cars have an ABS system which would make sure the wheels don't lock up. Highway Code Rule 119. Skids. Skidding is usually caused by the driver braking, accelerating or steering too harshly or driving too fast for the road conditions. If skidding occurs, remove the cause by releasing the brake pedal fully or easing off the accelerator. Turn the steering wheel in the direction of the skid. For example, if the rear of the vehicle skids to the right, steer immediately to the right to recover. So we have a photograph here. So the green car has braked too hard and the back wheels are skidding to the right. The front of the car is heading onto the footpath. So we would steer to the right to aim the car straight. Remember, get the wheel straight again as soon as the car is heading in the right direction. So that's Rule 119. Rear of the car skids to the right, driver steers to the right, which is actually quite natural because you're aiming in the wrong direction.